Hi there, this is Graphic Tools Lab. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this text stretch and warp by using After Effects. Before I get started, I just want to say, if you want more of tutorials, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, or comment and subscribe, that's very encouraging. Okay then, let's get started. I made composition in text already. I made the width 960 and height 1080 pixels, and duration for 10 seconds. Okay, let's get it on. Select Pre-Compose by right-clicking. I'll type in text. Press Ctrl or Command K to open composition settings. Let's change width to 1920 pixels. Okay. Now, let's go to Effects and Presets. Apply CC Repe Tile Effect to text layer. Increase the amount of expand up. You can handle a lot of copies. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for Motion Tile. Toggle the key and bring keyframe bar to 10 seconds. Increase the Y position. Let me show you preview just a moment. Okay, now let's apply CC Blender. You can see the changes by increasing the value. In this time we gonna use Maryland style. I'll type in 15. Now the anchor point's position are up to you. Drag it on until you like it. Or you can follow my properties. Okay, here is the preview. Go to Layer, New, Adjustment Layer. Search for CC Scale Wipe and apply it to Adjustment Layer. Change the direction, stretch, center properties. Okay, the first step is done. I'll duplicate text composition by press Ctrl D. Press S to open scale properties. Change those position. Drag the layer to make a time difference. Let me show you preview just a moment. So that's all for Tools Lab. Utilize what you learn and make awesome graphics. Please keep an eye on more videos to come. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.